In today's lecture, we are going to learn about index method in Python list, right? We will understand its definition, syntax, and solve some real life examples. First of all, we will see what is the index method. The index method used to find the position or index number of an element in Python list, right? So this is the syntax of index method. We will write the list name, right? We will write the list name, then after we will use the dot operator, then after we will write the index keyword, then after we will give the value where we want to find the position of it, right? So this is the real life example, right? Suppose uh, suppose if you are creating a student management system and want to find the position, right? So we have a list of students in which is stored for student names, right? Now I want to find the position, right? Then I will write the name of Sara, right? Then after I will use the comma, and then after I will use the name of list, right? Then next method, then I will write the name of value which I want to see the position of it, right? Right. So suppose I want to give the value Sara, right? Now I will run this program. You will get what they. Suppose if you want to find the position wise values, then we will use the enumerate function, right? In the next lecture we will talk it, right? So at the name of a leaf we have a position 0 and m and 1 and Sara is, right? Answer is 2, right? Now we have example 2, right? We are find the position first element. Let's say first element. Suppose I want to find the apple, right? Then I will write the dot index. Then I will write the name of element, right? Suppose apple. This is the position, right? So this is all about the index. So this is all about the index method in Python list, right? The next lecture we will talk about the occurrence of elements in